My dear friends and students, tutorial of our basic concept of complex number. Before I start the class, please like, subscribe, share and comments for next videos. Is denoted by z is equal to x plus iota y. X plus iota y. This is known as real part of z and this is known as imaginary part of z. If we have a point pxy in an xy plane or organ plane, this is x called real axis, this is called y imaginary axis. If we have a point pxy, we draw a perpendicular from P to x, this is 90 degree, and we join PO, it's origin. This is called theta. This is the distance of x and y. By properties of right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse and this is equal to x square plus y square. Now z is equal to x plus iota y. If we find modulus of z means the positive square root of x and y. This is we write modulus y is equal to under root x square plus y square, and we can write this is equal to r. So this is equal to modulus of z equal to r, and by that if it is theta, then this value is equal to r sin theta, and this value is equal to r cos theta, and then notate this point in a polar form r theta. Then now z is equal to x is equal to here r cos theta, and plus iota y is equal to r sin theta, and r is equal to cos theta plus iota sin theta. This is also known as r is equal to e to the power iota theta. So z is equal to this, and also we can write z is equal to modulus of z into power iota theta. This is the modulus of complex number. Now we can write again, represent a point P. This is xy. This is y is equal to r sin theta, and this is x equal to r cos theta. This is equal to theta, and this is 90 degree. It's a right angle triangle. Okay. And in a complex field, complex number in an organ plane, this value is called, theta is called argument of z or amplitude of z. Theta is equal to argument of z, amplitude of z. We easily find the amplitude and argument of z. Now again we can see that this is x, this is y, this is x dash and this is y dash. You can see this is positive and this is negative positive, this is negative negative, and this is positive negative. If we draw a point P here, this and this. If we find argument of complex number, then we rotate P a positive direction of x-axis, about x-axis. Then this is called theta, and again rotate theta. Also this is called theta, and this is also called theta, and this is theta. if we find the argument of z, then we call this यहाँ tan theta is equal to y upon x. Tan theta is equal to y upon x and theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. Then we have to find argument of z is equal to tan inverse modulus of y upon x. In first quadrant, argument of z is equal to theta. In second quadrant, argument of z is equal to phi minus theta. In third quadrant, argument of z is equal to phi plus theta. In fourth quadrant, argument of z is equal to 2 pi minus theta. For example, if we have z is equal to minus 1 minus iota, then find modulus of z and argument of z. Here modulus of z is equal to under root minus 1 square plus minus 1 square. This is called 1 plus 1 under root 2. This is the modulus of z. And if we have to find the argument of z, then we know that argument of z is equal to theta is equal to tan inverse modulus of y upon x is equal to tan inverse modulus of minus 1 by minus 1 is equal to tan inverse 1, and this is equal to pi by 4. But now you can see this point z is equal to minus 1 and minus 1. This belongs to third quadrant. This is belonging to third quadrant. So in third quadrant, argument of z is equal to pi plus theta. So we add this pi plus theta. So argument of z is equal to pi plus pi by 4. This is pi by 4. This is the argument of z is equal to minus 1 minus iota. Okay. Now, if we have find argument of z, again next we have to find the principal value of argument of z. The principal value. What is the principal value? Then you can this. Principal value is the superheat range. Superheat range of principal value. Principal value of argument of z is 0 to pi and minus pi to pi. Generally, by default, we find principal value of argument of z in 0 to 2 pi. If argument of z greater than pi, then we subtract 2 pi. And if argument of z is less than minus pi, less than equal to minus pi, then we add 2 pi.